Class 5th Standard, Subject EVS, Topic Soil Erosion and Conservation. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It supports plants which provide food to all living things on this planet. Thus, soil is the foundation of all life on earth. Below the soil, there is solid rock. When the earth was formed, there were only water, air, and hard rocks. The sun heated the rocks, the rain made them cold, and the wind blew over them. This continued for thousands of years. As a result, the rocks broke into small pieces. These small pieces broke into still smaller pieces. They were carried around by wind and water. They rubbed against each other till they became tiny particles. It took millions of years for these tiny particles to change into loose material, which we can call soil. The first topic is soil erosion. Natural forces like wind, rain, and running water helps in soil formation, but they can harm the soil as well. At places covered by natural vegetation, there is a balance between the formation of soil and the loss of soil. Very often, this balance is disturbed by human or natural forces. So, the topsoil is removed from the surface of the earth. The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water and wind is known as soil erosion. Running water causes soil erosion. Yes, the Chambal Valley of Madhya Pradesh is one such example. Running water washes the soil off. A river coming down the hill carries a lot of mud with it. Upon reaching the plains, the river slows down. It leaves part of the soil on its way. Over a period of time, soil accumulates and makes the river change its course. You may have heard of the Yellow River in China called Huanghe. It was known as the Sorrow of China because it changed its course very often. This resulted in loss of life and property. In Bihar, River Kosi, which changes its course frequently, caused great havoc in 2008 when lakhs of people were affected. Next topic is human beings cause soil erosion. Roots of trees and plants hold the soil together. Felling of trees or deforestation is a major cause of soil erosion. When trees are cut down, the soil becomes loose and is easily carried away. Plowing of hill slopes is yet another human factor that leads to soil erosion. Overgrazing by cattle also causes soil erosion. Next, soil conservation. Nature took millions of years to form soil. It is our responsibility to preserve and protect it. The protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation. We cannot stop natural forces like wind and water from causing soil erosion. However, Soil can be conserved by controlling the actions of these agents of erosion. This can be done in a number of ways. The first method is on flat open grounds. After harvesting and before raising the next crop, fields lie bare. This is when the wind blows off the topsoil. To prevent the soil from getting blown away, farmers grow cover crops such as grass and creepers. The roots of plants of these cover crops hold the soil particles together and prevent them from being blown away. Trees and bushes are grown along the boundaries of the fields. They act as a shield against strong winds. Second method is on hill slopes. Cutting the slope into steps or terrace can reduce soil erosion. Steps slow down the flow of water. As the water flow slows down, some soil from the step is left on the next step, reducing the amount of soil lost. Why conserve soil? Yes, we conserve soil for animal habitats, water storage, and nutrients for plants. Effects of deforestation. Population growth leads to the loss of natural habitats. Cut down trees to build new homes. Loss of biodiversity. Loss of oxygen producers and CO2 eliminators. So, children, we grow more trees on earth. Next topic is afforestation. Afforestation or growing trees is another effective method of soil conservation on hill slopes. During monsoons, many rivers overflow and flood the field. To prevent floods, embankments along river banks are built. This holds the water between the banks and prevents soil erosion. Thank you.